YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You guys can check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item right now, add it to your cart and check out so they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And we have here alright, come on. Ooh, 2228 LED solar motion sensor lights. Alright. It's raining right now, so we'll just do a quick show off in here. This is what you get when you buy it. This is what it looks like. You got some screws. Yeah, we got a big rainstorm coming. It started to drizzle a lot, and then the big storm will be here shortly. Alright, so one. There's a solar panel. Two. So you get a 2-pack. Alright. Now we're talking. Outdoor, I'm not sure what company this is. Solar charging, probably waterproof. Solar motion. It'll be corrected in the title though. So if you guys are looking for a new extra security type deal, this is a good one to get. Outdoor solar sensor light. See, hook that up. And then boom. That's how we do it. So there's different modes. Mode 1 is auto turn on bright light when motion is detected. Turn off after 15 seconds when there's no motion. Mode 2, auto turn on bright for dim light. Okay, so it's brightest is mode 1. Semi-bright is mode 2. And mode 3, always keep on dim light no matter if the motion. Okay. Pretty easy peasy. Here's the setup. A couple screws and boom boom. Good to go. Like I said, I can't install today because of the weather. But we can take a look at how bright these are and all that good stuff for you guys. And it's going to be a nasty next few days here in Michigan. Ooh, nice LEDs. Plug in, play. Hey, hey, hey. Here are the solars. Nice panel. Really nice and clean. There's the screw part. That's what it looks like in the back. You can, I think, adjust these. Or is it? Okay, that's only one spot. Sometimes you could just fold them out. But that's one spot, so you could just have it like that charge. Alright, let's plug this thing in for a sec. Make sure you remove the films. Oh, it's... Oh! Now we're talking. Now this is cool. Alright. Now we got somewhere. Oops. Where is the light switch? Usually it is. Make sure it's plugged in. Okay, adjust this. Yeah, see. There we go. Got it angled any which way you want. Just make sure you don't blind your neighbors. Unless you don't like them, you know? It's alright. I wonder if this will make any matter. Unless it needs to be fully dark. Oh, okay. there's a little button right next to this. Let me turn it off. That's power. So 1. That's really cool. 2. Look at that. And 3. See, this will be on always, and then there we go. That has really nice looking lights. So we got these. We got these. And like I said, if you guys want them, add them to your cart now. Check out. So I can ship this to you fast. And you guys will be happy. I'm really happy with them. Easy, looks nice. And plus I gotta figure out where to install because I got cameras and all that good stuff. Oh, I had to do it. Oh yeah. Gotta get that bubble wrap action in. So you can adjust these, remove the film. So same look, same setup. Okay, so these are automatic, but you could use this to charge it for the sun. 1, 2, 3. Everything works great. There we go. I like these. I like the light see that, so it looks like one mode is the first one, and that's the third mode. Like I said, easy to hook up. That goes with that too, so definitely check them out, YouTubers, if you're looking for a new solar, some kind of security. You know, if you not interested to the security cameras and technology stuff like that, you want to go simple, this would be a good one. Just maybe scare some rodents or possible intruders. Give yourself a few seconds heads up, you know. Definitely check them out. Like I said, my description will be corrected to see who this company is, and also it'll be a link to or description. So check them out. Click that link down below, and be safe. Have a good day.